Hello everybody.
Welcome to the world of Newton software.
For the architectural industry, we will now view the demo of PC Architect 2D. Here is a software that has already crossed more than 740 installations and which is widely accepted by the major architectural offices in Pune and Mumbai. After a successful spell in Pune and Mumbai, this software has come to your city. I am Gitanjali. I will be guiding you through this software in next 10 minutes. So, what is it about? PC Architect is a software which is developed by a group of architects and engineers from Pune. This software is developed in such a way that it works hand in hand with AutoCAD. PC Architect 2D has been made with a deep study of the requirement of the architect in mind. The repetitive and calculative work of the architect can be automated through PC Architect 2D, thus giving the architect better and faster presentations with minimum human errors. This software enables the architect's office to be in line with the competition and perform much faster and with much more accuracy. Let us now see the major highlights of this software. It gives solution to the following major areas: online planning within AutoCAD, automatic generation of the centerline drawing, automatic area calculation and submission drawing, automatic section drafting. We will now proceed one by one. Let us witness the magic of automatic centerline drawing. Here, let us open an existing AutoCAD drawing. Let us just click across this drawing and see a vast and big size center line is generated in seconds. It is 100% accurate with all text and dim put automatically. It works like magic. Centerline drawing is drafted through PC Architect 2D in just a few seconds. The entire process, which otherwise takes 4 to 6 hours, is done in just a few seconds, saving huge amount of time and giving tremendous accuracy. The distances, cumulative as well as absolute, are presented along with the column tags in pencils or boxes as required by the end user. The faces for the walls are also denoted in the center line along with the schedule for columns. All the presentation is done on separate layers so that only those required can be switched on before printing the center line. This automated process of drafting the center line is an absolute treat to the end user. No dependency on the skill of the operator. No expertise required from the operator. Peace of mind for you as well. Please keep in mind, we are in AutoCAD and we are using PC Architect on an existing AutoCAD drawing. PC Architect 2D is an add-on tool to AutoCAD. A drawing made with PC Architect is a faster drawing generation. How you can save on manpower? Virtually, a fresher with 2-month experience can do your centerline drawing with the ease of 10-year experienced architect. In short, we are replacing the manual handwork with computerized algorithm. You saw the first phase of our innovation, where you recover the cost of software in hardly 2 or 3 centerline drawings. Another facility here is, if you move a column, relocate a column or modify some part of the drawing, the modified centerline can be again generated in few seconds. Amazing, isn't it? Now, after centerline generation, I will show you other benefits of PC Architect 2D. We will now see how PC Architect performs automatic area calculation. Built-up area statement is calculated, generated and presented simultaneously as we go on clicking on the areas within the drawing. The deductions and the additions to the statements can be given in the form of squares, rectangles, triangles, arcs and chords. The final area after deduction can be viewed simultaneously on the form. This automated process of statement generation and presentation eliminates 3 processes: the calculator and the area calculation for plot area. The presentation of the plot area statement is done with tremendous ease through PC Architect 2D. The areas within the plot are marked as squares and triangles or arcs, and as we go on marking these areas, the same are presented alongside the drawing of the plot. Here we have saved major chunk of time for the architect by presenting these statements perfectly and accurately. Drawings having 70-75 deductions are calculated and presented just in some minutes, which otherwise would have taken at least a day's work. Automatic statements are also generated for carpet area, ground coverage, FAR, balcony area, tenement statement, parking statement. Moving on to the automatic section generated through PC Architect 2D. Now, in the form, mark the number of floors required for the section and mark the line from where the section is required. We generate the full walls by making the intersecting points. We generate the full walls by marking the intersecting points on the 2D walls as shown here. We will now select the cross door option, where we select the number of doors which fall on the marked section line. Next we click on the facing doors and windows. Use click and generate for the generation of the entities as shown in the example. The slabs are generated on clicking the intersecting points. Select the staircase as shown to generate the staircase section. This facility is an absolute treat. The staircase generation in sections is generated in seconds. The trade risers and landing slabs are also generated in just 2 clicks. We can now view the entire section. Since we are working within AutoCAD, we can also add non-standardized additional structures to the sections by using AutoCAD on the same drawing. We have also given various tools for the planning and faster drafting within PC Architect 2D. In brief, we will now view the drafting of the rooms along with dimensions and text can be drafted in just a few clicks. The Draw Room option is used to automate the drafting of rooms along with their dimensions and room names. The dimensions are generated both in metric and FPS. Separate layers are generated for the same so that only which is required may be displayed. This utility increases your drafting speed to more than double. Draw Periphery. This utility helps you to draft the external periphery to the rooms. Draw Window. Automatic cutting of the walls and placing the windows with their tags is done through this option. This works in the similar fashion as the drafting for the door. The windows can be placed on the walls or like box windows as required by the design. The presentation of the text can be customized through the settings given within PC Architect 2D. Windows can be placed from the intersecting point of the wall as well as from the midpoint of the wall. Finally, we will now check the reasons why Architect's Office must have PC Architect 2D. Saves immensely on time, provides accuracy, avoid human error. The repetitive work of calculation and systematic presentation can be taken over by PC Architect 2D. It saves you on highly experienced manpower. Even trainees can take over the drafting work of an experienced architect. The architect can utilize his time most optimally as he can devote more time towards design rather than towards repetitive and calculative procedures. At the same time, PC Architect 2D provides neat and tidy and accurate presentation in just a few seconds.